Hello, grade 4. Today we will talk about lesson 1 in unit 1, the digestive system. As we know, we are surrounded by living organisms and non-living things. All living organisms are similar in some characteristics such as motion, nutrition, respiration, sensation, excretion, and reproduction. The body of living organisms is made up of groups of systems that are working together. Examples: Number 1, digestive system. It digests and absorbs food. Number 2, respiratory system. It carries out breathing process. Urinary system. It helps the body get rid of harmful substances. Nervous system. It gives us the ability to feel, see, hear, smell, and taste. Now we will talk about human digestive system. The digestive system is made up of two parts. Number 1, the digestive canal. It consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Number 2, the digestive canal supplementaries. They consist of salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. To benefit from complex food as rice, bread, and jam, it passes through special organs in the digestive system, in the process called digestion process. It's a process of changing food from a complex form into simple substances to let the body benefit from them. Digestive canal is made up of a group of organs in the shape of a long pipe with length from 9 to 10 meters. It starts with mouth opening and ends with anus opening. It consists of mouth is a cavity consists of teeth. They are divided into 4 incisors, 2 canines, and 10 molars in each jaw. Incisors cut and tear food into small pieces. Canines also cut and tear food into small pieces. And molars, they grind food to make its swallowing easy. The number of teeth in adults is 32. But milk teeth are 20 teeth. They are divided into 4 incisors, 2 canines, and 4 molars in each jaw. Tongue. It is responsible for tasting food. It turns food inside the mouth cavity and it mixes food with saliva to help in food swallowing. Salivary glands. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. They secrete saliva liquid that contains digestive enzymes that change starch into simple substance called sugar. Pharynx. It is a common cavity leads to esophagus in the digestive system and trachea in the respiratory system. Esophagus. It allows food to pass from pharynx to stomach. For stomach. It is a sac-like muscular organ. It secretes gastric or digestive juice that makes incompletely digestion of proteins as it changes protein into a semi-liquid substance after few hours to be digested easily. Small intestine. It consists of two parts. A. Duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine in which pancreatic juice and bile juice are poured, where pancreatic juice is secreted by pancreas, but bile juice is secreted by liver. The function of bile juice, it helps in digestion of fats as it changes fats into fatty emulsion. Number B, ileum. Ileum is the second part of the small intestine in which intestinal juice is poured. In the ileum, the digestion of different types of food is completed and the absorption of food occurs in ileum by villi. Villi extended from inside of a small intestinal wall. In ileum, the absorbed food reaches blood that distributes the digested food all over the body organs. Number 6. Large intestine. Large intestine is a tube that starts from the end of the small intestine and ends with the anus. Anus is located at the end of the rectum. The function of rectum, it absorbs the water from the food remains. And the function of large intestine, it stores wastes or food remains, then ejects them outside the body through anus. Observe that digestion process needs a great amount of water because it helps in breaking down complex food into simple substances. There are important foods such as vitamins. It protects us from some diseases. Proteins helps the body to grow and it's responsible for healing wounds. And carbohydrates and fats supply the body with energy. Now everybody, if I ask you, how can you keep the digestive system healthy? Number 1, we must choose the food well. Don't eat much food that contains large amount of fats as fast meals. And avoid having food that contains flavor additives. Then practice sport regularly. And don't buy food from street sellers to avoid the infectious diseases. Finally, stay away from smoking because it causes indigestion, stomach ulcer, and duodenal ulcer. Now, if I ask you, digestion of starch starts in mouth by saliva, but digestion of protein starts in stomach, and digestion of fat occurs in duodenum by bile juice.